once again.
Hello friends, welcome again to my channel. Today I show you the Havoc Os ROM based on Android P for Redmi 3S Prime. I recently installed this ROM because this ROM launched yesterday, and I immediately download this and install. And here start with the Geo SIM is working well in this ROM. You can see the light volt icon in the on the status bar. I show you that you can see calling via Geo.
Welcome to Geo.
Friends, Geo is working well, and I used this ROM for 3 to 5 hours, and I didn't get any bug in this ROM. All apps are working well. Also, the substratum is working well. I used this theme Pitchblack, which is a very popular theme. First of all, install this theme. This is a paid theme in Play Store, but you can easily download this. I give a link in the description, and you can download it. First of all, select to Pine, and then select application which you want to change. Like I change my Play Store, and I already installed this theme. I show you. You can see my Play Store is changed. All icons are rounded, and here you get a lot of tweaks in this ROM. Like I show you that you get ambient display interface. You can easily select UI style which you like, and you can also change recent. There are lots of recent settings in this ROM. First of all, I show you that. And also the spectrum is working well in this ROM, and magics also working. All magics module are working well. I used to these modules now. This is YouTube Advanced Black. In this application you didn't get any advertisement while playing videos, and you can easily select this. You can also change the layout from the settings. Like you can use this layout settings, minimize video. You can also change the quality while playing videos online. So friends, the ROM is good. Also the battery backup of the ROM is very good. I hope you like my video. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel and share my video. Thank you friends for watching my video.